Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you on how to download and install WhatsApp Plus in your Android and iOS. Before I continue, make sure you watch this video to the end. The first thing to do is go to any web browser like Google Internet or Opera. Type WhatsApp Plus download. Then choose any website you want to download and install. Scroll down, then look for the download button WhatsApp Plus OK. You'll choose where to download in your downloads folder before you download. It says the file might be harmful. If you want to download the app, OK, tap download and wait for a few seconds. After it's done downloading, tap on the file and then tap to install the app, and wait for seconds to be done. After it's done installed, the second step is head over to WhatsApp Plus. Now we're on WhatsApp Plus. The next thing to do is to select your language, then tap agree and continue. Then after that you input your number before you register your account. It says that to easily verify your number, WhatsApp can automatically detect your verification code if you allow WhatsApp to view SMS messages. Click continue and then click allow and wait for them to send you SMS. As you can see, they have sent you a code. Note that it is important not to share your code to everyone. So you input your code and wait for it to verify your account. As the message appears, it says you entered your SMS registration code. Enter your two-step verification PIN, which you created when you set up the two-step verification. So enter your two-step verification PIN. So after setting your verification PIN, click continue by allowing WhatsApp to access contacts, photos and other media. If you've lost your data, I suggest you to restore a backup by allowing WhatsApp to access media, photos and your contacts. On the message shows if you previously backed up to Google storage and want to restore it, give permission to WhatsApp to check your Google account for backups. After restoring your data, on the profile you can select your picture and input your name. Then click next. Then after it's done registering, wait for a few seconds till it's done initializing. So after accessing, you input your verification PIN, and you're now good to go. Finally, so this is how to download, install, and register your account with your number on WhatsApp Plus. You know, registering second account. If you wish to run 2 WhatsApp Plus accounts on the same device, you can use GB WhatsApp Pro. It has the same features and enable you to run 2 apps on the same device. For all that this app brings on board, it is interesting to note that it is offered at no cost. You don't even have to worry about in-app purchases, as all features come fully unlocked to the user. If you have also been waiting to enjoy all of the many features above, now is a good time as any to download and enjoy the app too. So that's all the video for today. If you have any question, you can drop in the comments. If you have registered the app for the first time and it works, and if you have registered and it shows an error message, don't worry, you can also leave in the comments section, and then later I will get back to reply you. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates and similar contents. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you over there.